From any one location on the surface of the Earth, it's impossible to tell what our planet's shape is. It can be a spherical, pyramid-shaped, banana-shaped, or even flat. What? Am I sounding ridiculous? That's what a flat earther thinks, that Earth is flat, rather it is round. Contrary to popular belief, a decent percentage of the human population has known definitely the Earth was roughly spherical for over 2,000 years. As for humans, we took a little longer to realize this, with Pythagoras generally credited with being the first known person to have suggested a spherical Earth, though the idea didn't exactly catch on at this point. Aristotle agreed and supported the hypothesis with observations such as that the southern constellations rise higher in the sky when a person travels south. Much more definitively, the 3rd century BC head librarian at the Library of Alexandria, Eratosthenes, built on their ideas and managed to calculate the circumference of the Earth with remarkable accuracy. Let's rewind. In early Egyptian and Mesopotamian thought, the world was portrayed as a disk floating in the ocean. A similar model is found in the Homeric account from the 8th century BC. But the truth is, Earth is round. Despite this, and also with many scientific explanations, there really still is a tiny percentage of the populace of the developed world who believe the world is flat. And these people are known as flat earthers. The genesis of the modern Flat Earth Society started in the mid-19th century by Samuel Robotham of London, England. Dropping out of school at the tender age of 9, Robotham would eventually become convinced, or at least claimed he was, that not only was the Earth flat, but that everything we see in the heavens is actually only a few thousand miles from the Earth, stars and all. While his ideas were absurd for an incredible number of reasons, even given the technology and scientific knowledge of his era, what Robotham had going for him was he was reportedly incredibly quick on his feet in debates and an extremely charismatic speaker, able to twist the words of even the best academics. It didn't matter if he was actually right or not, only that he was better at convincing laypeople than the academics he regularly debated, or at least good at creating reasonable doubt. As noted by a contemporary article published in the Leeds Times, the current belief advocated by the Flat Earth Society is that the Earth is disc-shaped. The North Pole lies at the center of this disk and there is an ice wall surrounding the outermost parts of the Earth that keeps the oceans contained. This wall is nearly impossible to reach owing to the fact that NASA is closely guarding it, ensuring no one ever gets close enough to see it for themselves. The Society thinks NASA is fooling us by pretending the Earth is spherical. And yes, we know what the truth is. Now, I'm not gonna explain the theories of Flat Earth because they all make no sense. These are some of the people who claimed and made people believe the Flat Earth exists. William Carpenter, John Jasper, M.C. Flanders, Lady Elizabeth Blunt and many more people. The International Flat Earth Research Society, IFRS, better known as the Flat Earth Society, was set up by Samuel Shenton in 1956, in Dover, UK, as a direct descendant of the Universal Zetetic Society. This was just before the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik.
Today, a new moon is in the sky, a 23-inch metal sphere.
His primary aim was to reach children before they were convinced about a spherical Earth. In 1972, Shenton's role was taken over by Charles K. Johnson, a correspondent from California, U.S. He incorporated the IFRS and steadily built it up to about 3,000 members. He spent years examining the studies of flat and round Earth theories and proposed evidence of a conspiracy against flat Earth.
The flat, sun-baked Mojave Desert stretches for miles to the mountains. Beyond the mountains, the flat land stretches to the horizon. And beyond the horizon, according to Charles Johnson, the land continues to be flat. As a matter of fact, Charles Johnson believes the whole world is flat.
All right, now our final guest, I can't believe this, but he's the head of the Flat Earth Society. He says the Earth is definitely flat. Here is my guest, Charles Johnson. Let's hear it for Charles. Now, Charles, you can't truly be serious and believe that this Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat is one of the few things that you can ever know for sure in life. It is the only sure thing. You know, they talk about death and taxes being sure, but the Earth being flat.
His article was published in the magazine Science Digest in 1980. It goes on to state, if it is a sphere, the surface of a large body of water must be curved. The Johnsons have checked the surfaces of Lake Tahoe and the Salton Sea without detecting any curvature. The society declined in the 1990s following a fire at its headquarters in California, and Johnson died in 2001. It was revived as a website in 2004 by Daniel Shenton. He believes that no one has provided proof that the world is not flat. Members of the Flat Earth Society and other flat earthers claim that NASA and other government agencies conspire to delude the public into believing the Earth is spherical. As I said earlier about the wall and photoshopping images. One fascinating extraordinary belief that I have just recently come to know is the idea that the country of Australia doesn't exist, according to flat earthers. The theory holds that Australia is just an elaborate cover-up by the British government for a mass murder, and the people who live there are actors who gets paid. But this was not enough for flat earthers, they wanted more. On February 22, 2020, Michael Hughes, who was an American limousine driver, professed flat earther, and daredevil known for flying in self-built steam rockets, died while filming a stunt for an upcoming Science Channel television series. The daredevil, who lived in Apple Valley, made headlines internationally when he announced his intention to prove his theory that the Earth was flat by flying himself to space and determining the shape of Earth.
Man.
All right!
By claiming that the Earth is flat, people are really expressing a deep distrust of scientists and science itself. So, if you find yourself talking to a flat earther, skip the evidence and arguments. However, I don't think this discussion is really about the actual evidence or the scientific process in proving the flat earth, but it's the trust and knowledge that humans are still lacking between themselves.